Hello, everyone. Today, we'll answer a critical maintenance question. When measuring motor winding resistance, how much percentage difference is acceptable, and when should you stop immediately? The three windings in a three-phase motor are designed to be identical. If resistance is unequal, current becomes unbalanced. One phase carries more load, local overheating, motor vibrates, makes noise, lifespan drops. Eventually, it may lead to winding burnout. The three windings in a three-phase motor are designed to be identical. If resistance is unequal, current becomes unbalanced. One phase carries more load, local overheating, motor vibrates, makes noise, lifespan drops. Eventually, it may lead to winding burnout. Two methods. Quick max. Min. Take the maximum minus the minimum, divide by the average, then multiply by 100%. Per phase detailed. Subtract the average from each resistance, ignore minus signs, divide by the average, then multiply by 100%. The worst deviation is used as the result. Measurements: 3.0 ohms, 2.5 ohms, 4.5 ohms. Average equals 3.33 ohms. Max min: 4.5 minus 2.5. Divided by 3.33, approximately 60%. Per phase: best deviation 10%, worst 35%. Motor is not acceptable. And 2%, excellent. 2 to 5%, acceptable. 5 to 10%, warning, inspect further. 10%, not acceptable, stop operation. Loose or oxidized terminals, clean contact surfaces, retighten bolts, remeasure resistance, uneven rewinding, wrong number of turns or wire gauge. Verify rewind quality. Rewind all three phases uniformly if required. Partial turn-to-turn short. Perform insulation test with Megger, then run a surge test to confirm coil integrity. Insulation breakdown or aging. Carry out dielectric insulation resistance testing. If it fails, rewind or replace the motor. When testing a three-phase motor, all three windings should have nearly equal resistance. If the difference is less than or equal to 5%, it's generally safe to operate. Between 5 to 10%, this is the caution zone. Inspect terminals, check rewinding quality, or run additional tests before long-term operation. If the difference is greater than 10%, it's dangerous. The motor may overheat or burn out. In this case, do not energize the motor. Stop and repair first. Today's video showed you how to measure, calculate, and evaluate winding resistance deviation. This simple test is a powerful preventive tool to extend motor lifespan. If you found it useful, hit like, subscribe to Hexabot. Share this video with your fellow technicians and engineers to spread good maintenance practice.